St. Louis County health officials, along with police, arrived within the hour at a restaurant that defied recent orders to close indoor dining. The county says it's suspending the permits of 5 restaurants, including Satchmo's in Chesterfield, forcing them to close. That despite the owner and some local politicians saying the closure is against their constitutional rights. Good evening, I'm Kay Quinn.
And I'm Mike Bush. This is all happening outside the restaurant on Olive Boulevard in Chesterfield. And it's where 5 on Your Side's Alex Fees is live with the latest.
Well, Mike and Kay, good evening. This is where State Senator Andrew Koenig held his news conference earlier today. He and others say that Executive Page's actions represent a constitutional issue. And this evening, just hours later, police and health department officials are here, as you say, suspending these restaurant owners' permits. Missouri State Senator Andrew Koenig says Americans live in a constitutional republic with separation of powers, and he asserts that no one person should have the power to make law and shut businesses down.
Underneath St. Louis County's charter, it does not give our county executive the power to make law. That is left to the hands of the county council.
Bob Bonney with the Missouri Restaurant Association says restaurants were the first industry to shut down in the pandemic, and they have sustained the most significant job losses.
What the industry seeks is due process, the opportunity for public comment, and the same rights afforded other businesses.
Ben Brown is owner of Satchmo's.
We tried to adapt and find new ways to survive at 25% capacity, 50%, or with our dining rooms closed entirely. We were forced to make incredibly difficult decisions regarding who gets to keep receiving a paycheck and who would be laid off. We've taken countless precautions to protect the health and safety of our customers, often at great expense to ourselves.
What is Sam Page afraid of? Why is he afraid of oversight? Why is he afraid that the council can't look at what he's doing, nor the information that he's basing his decisions upon?
Now, County Executive Dr. Sam Page released a statement this afternoon. He says, "I will continue to support the recommendations of our public health directors and the pandemic task force. Hospitals are overrun and our healthcare workers are begging for reasonable public health decisions. The election is over. Stop politicizing the pandemic." Now, in the course of that story, we heard from Ben Brown, the owner of Satchmo's behind me. Satchmo's is apparently one of 5 restaurants this evening in St. Louis County that were affected by actions of the health department. County health officials have confirmed they moved in to close 5 restaurants for allegedly violating the health order. Health officials say the permits of those 5 restaurants have been suspended. We'll have more details at 6 o'clock. Live in Chesterfield, Alex Fees, 5 on Your Side.